A fragment of truth. Don't worry, it's been proven safe.
A pot of liquor amidst what I'm good at. Is that a fairy in the liquor?
Don't be afraid.
Please, allow me. Give them a warm welcome. It's out with you. Enjoy!
And off my mirror.
Here's another one. Perfectly understood. A pot of liquor amidst the flowers. Is that a fairy in the liquor? Just another shift.
A fragment of truth.
Flee, mortals! Don't you? Noble or common? The feast of all feasts.
No use in avoiding it.
Give them a warm welcome.
Don't worry.
Yes, it's what I'm good at. A pot of liquor. Is that a fairy in the liquor?
Would you care?
Higher than a bell tower and deep in the clouds. Laundry time. Don't you? Noble or common? Enjoy. To punishing you!
A fragment of truth.
This part should do. A pot of liquor amidst the flowers. Is that a fairy in the liquor? Oh look, here's another one.
I'll be right here.
The feast of all feasts. I look forward to punishing you! Give them a warm welcome. Just another shift. What I'm good at. A pot of liquor amidst the flowers. Is that a fairy in the liquor? Shall I, Master? Keep calm. These sheets are my wings! You are not welcome here. Paper. Is that really the best you have to offer? In ink and flesh, no night or day. Then why not dream the time away? Dreams. Give them a warm welcome. Everything went smoothly. Shall we have another round?